Yo, let's go, man. It's AP Uzeko, man. All the way in full in 7100, man. Sinokotmane yami put a hit trick, man. Ukebobulala ibhenge her performance. Like ukebobulala like sure. Akhathalwa apha like I can tell you akhathalwa. Yabona ngikhulile asasilama benazo. Then now I have ukutmane yami put a hit trick, man. Like I love your performance, bro. I love indlela obetha ngayo stage bra yami. Bathi mabagcwala khona nami. Ngicela bra yami. How do you feel khona nami?
Manje yami is always man. Ngiyathola ndakam uma ndisathi sixelele abantu zokwenza lento ngizoyenza lento nayo nangamethola ndiko ndiyabhaba kanje ngandibona bayekuse into yenzayo umfethu abantu bayijabulele yathola kanjani mfethu yazo yona imphilisayo yabo ngicela basibhale nje ma yathola yaba khona abantu abaphilayo lapha.
How do you feel bro like young artist bro bro like inonozinika zona ba ngeke like nipusha njani nenza njani like manje ngiyabaplaga bra yami like kwezinto even esifana eziningi asifani zenze kule Friday.
Okay mina mnganami ufuna ukuxoxa nabantu abaninzi endibaphekileyo endibabhekayo nangoku ne-artist ibikhona edingana ndiyakwazi uyinika okanye ndiyakwazi uyimamela ndive uba idinga ntoni na ndiyinike le ndishota ngayo qha yabo otherwise andikhathalisekanga noba kuthiwa uyaprepa wenzani
Yo, bro, I'm inspired about the performance yakho bro. Keep it going, my foot man. Kalela brother yami. Kalela man. Yo, let's go, man. It's AP, man. All the way in full in, man. Sell up at the church, man. Things is happening, bro. Things is happening. Qatar is happening.